Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to add users to teams in Hubspot to better organize your account structure. To get started, go to your Hubspot homepage and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to Users and Teams under the Account Management section and click on it. Once the page loads, click on Teams. Here, you'll see all existing teams in your account. If you don't have any yet, click on Create Team. Enter a team name. For example, you could name it Account. Next, choose the users you'd like to add to this team. You can scroll through the list or search for specific users. After selecting the appropriate members, click Save to create the team. To create a hierarchy, you can place one team under another. For example, create another team such as Payroll and add the relevant members. Once you have multiple teams, you can organize them by dragging one team under another to create a parent-child structure. You can also edit a team and assign it beneath a specific parent team directly in the settings. That's all for today. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, be sure to use the affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.